Hey guys, so today we're gonna do the dropping wallet on public social experiment. So all you're gonna do is enjoy, relax, sit back, and grab some popcorn or anything. So salamat eh. Salamat eh. Ikuha ba? Ikuha. Asa naman? Dagan? Oh, so busted. So guys, if this video gets a 5 likes, I will make a part 2, and so don't hesitate to touch that thumbs up over there and comment anything. So bye, peace, yo.